how do you actually crack a quail egg? I'm Danielle of the Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel where we give you new content every week on our homestead and farming. We recently started quail farming, and let me tell you, it is probably one of my favorite types of farming that we do here at Split Arrow Farm. That is because we have an amazing cage which really does a lot of the work for us, and we're able to harvest a large amount of quail eggs. I have right here a dozen quail eggs that we got just yesterday, and they are so tasty. They're highly nutritious. They have healing powers, which I talk about in a video that I discuss on all of the nutritional values of quail. But one issue that I found a lot of our quail egg buyers having is how to actually crack a quail egg. Now, you're gonna find quail eggs do have a harder exterior than your regular chicken egg, and it does make it a little harder to crack. Let's say you're just doing a normal recipe and you're subbing out quail eggs for regular chicken eggs, then you're going to be cracking a lot of them. Or if you're doing a tasty quail recipe, you're gonna run into this a lot. And I have 3 different solutions that are gonna help you crack your quail eggs. And I've saved the best for last, so you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned for that. Quail eggs are beautiful. They have really fun and great designs on the outside, and you'll notice that every one is a bit unique and beautiful in its own way. They'll range from a pretty small size to a little bit bigger, as you can see here. As they start to get older and lay more, their eggs will start to grow in size, but cracking them is a bit hard. So we're going to take these 3 quail and show you 3 different ways that we can crack these quail eggs. To start off, I'm going to grab a little dish, and we're gonna start off with your old generic how you would crack a chicken egg. So you're gonna take it on the side of the dish, hit it on the side, and you'll notice that it does crack the exterior of the egg. As you can see here, there are pieces that are flaking off, but there's still a really strong embryo that is keeping the yolk inside, making it hard to actually break into. Now, if I clean that up and I do go back to cracking on the side of this dish, I can pierce my fingers in and crack it open, but as you can tell, this is quite messy and it might break the yolk of your quail egg, which isn't what we want. So I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to show you 2 much better methods for cracking this quail egg. For the second method, we're going to be using this serrated knife. You can see here, this is just a steak knife, but you can also use any type of paring knife or any knife with a serrated edge. For this method, you're going to take your quail egg, and you notice that there is a narrow side and a wider side. You're going to turn your egg to the wider side, and you're just going to cut through the egg, making sure to not hit the yolk. Then you can just pop it open. You have your full egg there, and drop it into your dish. Why we choose the wider edge is it will make sure that the full yolk can actually fit inside instead of the more narrow edge, which you are going to get it a little bit stuck there. For the third method, we're going to be using this quail egg scissors. What's great about these, they have a circular note here, and then you can see that they have a triangle shaped scissor that you can actually cut into the quail. We found them on Amazon, and I'll provide a link down below if you want to get your own pair. And what you're going to do here is, again, you can do it through the narrow or thicker side on the bottom. We're going to go for the thicker side, and you're just going to open up the knife, stick your egg inside, and it's just going to poke it through. It will take the top piece off with it, and you can easily crack your quail egg. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you found it informative. If you did, please make sure to give us a like and subscribe so that you can stay a part of our journey of creating a homestead and starting a farm. See you guys again next time. Bye.